welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So this is an episode that I've been wanting to do for a while for you. It was a viewer request. Somebody wanted to see styling different kinds of jackets. So I have on a very basic ivory or off-white turtleneck. You've seen it a million times. And I have a pair of my dark wash Liverpool skinny jeans, okay? These are gonna be the base for all 5 looks that I'm gonna give you, all right? I'm not gonna change the skinny jeans or the sweater, all right? And if you don't have skinny, dark wash, non-distressed skinny jeans in your wardrobe, get them. I'm sure you do. Probably everybody has a pair. But you know, they may not be trending in the most popular style right now, but they're very utilitarian and can be styled many different ways and different looks, especially with tall boots. And if you don't already have a fine gauge sweater, it doesn't have to be a turtleneck. I know a lot of people freak out when they see a turtleneck. It could be a V-neck, it could be a boat neck, it can be a round neck, a crew neck, it does not matter. Just a fine gauge knit, all right? And you're gonna say, why, Carolyn? Well, because it layers well, all right? Then you might say, well, I have a blouse. Well, a blouse is great if you're dressing up a look. This would go both ways, all right? So I highly recommend a very plain ivory, off-white, fine gauge, thin sweater that can go layer nicely under all sorts of jackets. So as I said, I just have a pair of skinny jeans and this sweater on, and I'm going to style my 3rd layers, and the only thing I'm going to be swapping out are my shoes and the 3rd layer. And I'm going to put on a piece of jewelry just to jazz this outfit up, but I'll even keep the same necklace on throughout the try-on. Give me a minute. Look 1, the shacket. So this shacket I got from Stitch Fix. It's by BB Dakota. It is a dark red, and with it, I'll show you my red booties that go along with this. So keep in mind, I did not change out the sweater. All I did was throw this necklace on, which I'll keep throughout the try-on, and the pants as well. They're just plain dark wash skinny jeans from Liverpool, and you can see how nicely they fit into my booties, no issue, all right? And this is the reason why I said use a sweater, because I can dress this down or dress this up. So this is the first look, all right? Give me a minute and I'll throw on the next jacket so you can get an idea of how that will look. Look 2 is the Moto jacket. So this is a faux suede Moto jacket by Blank NYC that I got on sale pretty inexpensively for Blank NYC. At Anthropologie, I think I paid around $40 for it. And I wanted to do a Moto jacket, but I wanted to do the non-traditional black. Everybody says a black Moto jacket. This is like I guess the best color to describe it is sea glass. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the color. It's like a bluish greenish. Okay, again, the same ivory top, all right? The same, skinny jeans, and I'll pan down so you can see my boots. I decided to wear ivory boots with this to keep this outfit a little bit on the softer side since it's a softer color. All right, so this is my 2nd choice for a jacket. Give me a minute and I'll get you the 3rd jacket. 3rd outfit is the Satin bomber jacket. So just say you're out shopping with your friends and you have to go to a nice dinner. Even though it's a bomber jacket, it's satin, all right, and it's black. And black makes everything dressier. So I believe this material and the color combined makes it a dressier jacket. So this time I paired it with my heeled shoes, all right. Both of these items are courtesy of Stitch Fix. The shoes are 41 Hawthorne, and the little jacket is from Sanctuary. Again, I got them both from Stitch Fix, Shop Your Looks, or Freestyle, okay? So yeah, I think this is another way you can wear the jacket, and you see how the same top can be dressed up or dressed down. So yeah, you could wear an ivory blouse with this, but you wouldn't wear an ivory blouse with the shacket. So like a fine gauge sweater can go either way, all right? So give me a minute and I'll show you the next jacket. Next look, I had to break out a blazer, right? You know that it had to be a blazer in this when I'm talking about jackets. So this is your very traditional camel colored blazer. It's by J. Crew. I got it at the J. Crew outlets years and years ago when I first lost the weight and I needed some clothes to wear to work. I paired these with a pair of knee-high boots from Nordstrom's brand something navy that I got on my own quite some time ago. Okay, so I think the colors coordinate well, and I think this is a very nice outfit to wear in probably like the fall time. Okay, so again, another type of jacket. There's so many styles of jackets you can wear. I have one more to show you. Give me a minute. Okay, the last jacket I have to show you, I'm not even quite sure what style this would be called. So it has just some slash pockets here that are functional but that I've never opened. And it just has some snaps down the front. And it's in, I guess, almost like a faux suede. Well, I don't even know what kind of material this is. It's super soft and stretchy. And it's by Liverpool. I originally had gotten this from a Stitch Fix, and it was $98. And I'm like, $98? You know, I really liked it. So I scoped it out on Liverpool's website, and when it finally went on sale, I snagged it. I think I paid about $50 for it. I love this jacket. I decided to pair this jacket with a pair of brown boots, and I'll pan down so you can see the brown boots, or booties, I should say. And these, I believe, are Mark Fisher, and I believe I got these on my own from Nordstrom. I'm not even 100% positive anymore. And yeah, this is, I think, another cute jacket outfit. So, as you can see, you can have a very basic layer and then jazz it up with a jacket and do many different looks with the same basic layer underneath. I have many more jackets, but I figured I'd start with these. Let me know your thoughts, what other videos you'd like to see, and if you haven't subscribed already, what's holding you back? Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell. And take care until next time.